If you're looking for something different,
Why do we do things this way?
to encourage people to achieve extraordinary things,
Give yourselves a round of applause!
and to leave with useful and effective strategies, having laughed and learnt, you're watching the right video.
Shh, put the pictures of the puppy away, shh.
For more than a decade, Jez Rose has been invited to work with organisations worldwide and presented to audiences in over 20 countries, helping them to achieve extraordinary things with simple changes to how they think.
Why do we do it this way? That's how changemakers become changemakers. They disrupt things, right?
Jez's refreshingly unique interactive presentations are consistently rated as the best keynote presentation delegates have ever seen.
Those things that we think are impossible or insurmountable, if we change the way we approach a problem, you find often a better solution and a more engaging and fun way of doing it.
Jez has worked with thousands of organisations just like yours, delivering presentations and workshops on behaviour and culture change and the impact of extraordinary leadership teams.
Is we've got to start accentuating the positive stuff.
He's the go-to presenter to bring passion and life to a wide range of subjects. Whether it's 30 people in a hotel meeting room, 300 in a conference room, or 3,000 people at an international convention centre, Jez Rose always leaves audiences energised and inspired to change.
Thank you very much indeed. Give yourselves a round of applause.
Be in touch with Jez's team today to discuss how he can tailor something to your next event.